outstanding initiative. Sri Lanka Boxing Association in conjunction with Asian Boxing Confederation done a fantastic. Witnessed joining alongside me.
Round 1.
Exciting day, and remember Muminov had a very tough path to the semi-final, but he's got very strong base to his game. Good footwork. There you go, moving along really nicely. Tilebody. You don't have time to settle down. You don't have time to assess your opponent. It's just about getting your game plan and starting off bang, bang, bang. We've seen boxers who've taken a while to settle down and to assess their opponent, struggle during the second and third round. Hopefully, Mumинов.
Immediately you see the man in red pressure in the front foot. Strong posture from the man in red.
We've been witnessing right throughout this tournament, these Kazakh boxers, they got something special. Boxing lovers, aspiring young boxers who are thinking of taking boxing seriously. There's a lot to learn.
Stop.
Look at their physical structure. Hardly any fat. But we've spoken enough about muscle mass. Even in this 48 kg category, flyweight category, excellent. Both the boxers in excellent shape.
Oh, good 1-2 from the man in red.
Starting to notice young man from Tajikistan leaning down a little too much.
Yes,
and
he's losing position, and that's not good for the later rounds. That's exhausting you a lot, making you really tired.
Stop.
Too much. He's exaggerating with his movement too much because of the pressure. That's the pressure this man in red is putting.
Сүлеймени looks very focused, pressing forward right from the word go, trying to work the upstairs, missing both the right and left. Working his jab. Orthodox fighter. Just gauging the distance to deliver powerful punch. Good work. Cutting the distance just like that.
He's caught him in the corner, the man, and he could get a count if you stay in the corner for too long.
Excellent evasive maneuver by Mumинов. He was cornered, but had the goods to come out if a powerful one landed just there.
Good counter.
Stop!
It's a one-sided affair.
I always like this, both the fighters appreciating their boxing prowess. Very even first round as we leaning forward to have a look at the judges' scorecard.
I felt like red was dominating though. Let's see what the judges have to say. What if someone gives you 8-10?
Brilliant work rate. Mumинов failing to counter the punches thrown at him by this very efficient Kazakh boxer. During that moment when he was cornered, he came out of it really nicely. He hasn't done enough, most probably. The round
Seconds
goes to
out.
the red corner.
Box.
Round 2.
Good jab. Red is immediately setting his jab up, keeping his fighter behind the lead hand. Oh, that's a good punch from Blue.
Blue clearly knew Mumинов hasn't done enough during the first round. The round belonged to the opponent. Time to get busy and deliver a few punches and impress the judges.
Box.
The second round is so crucial when it comes to deciding the total outcome. This is for the spot in the finals. This is to book their place to fight for the gold medal. Kazakhs, they were here with one intention in mind. And Mumинов, he had a very hard first round match.
Red.
It was a close one. End of the day, managing to reach the semi-finals. It's been a bit of a struggle for him. This young man, Сүлеймени, very steady head, kept on gazing at the opponent, delivering the left, and almost always getting the right landing and making connection.
Now what Blue is trying to do is he's trying to time Red coming in. He's loading up on that backhand because he's realizing Red's putting a lot of pressure, pushing him back. So he's trying to catch him with that momentum.
Box.
He caught him in the beginning of the round.
You said it right. Mumинов pretty much thrown the caution out of the window.
Yeah, can you see that? He's loading up on that backhand. He's trying to knock the man in red down.
Box.
The man in red is really active from Kazakh. He's so active. He's so much movement, footwork.
Both the fighters, in fact, both the fighters kept their activity level very, very high, which is always pleasing to see, especially these lower weight classes, flyweight.
Man in blue is looking a little frustrated right now with everything that Red is doing.
Stop.
This is the fight that Red wants. He wants this fight. He can see it.
Good work rate by Mumинов. Trying to land few punches over the top.
Stop.
Very exciting, very close round. Take a look at the scorecard. Red is in front by a fair distance.
There was a 10-8 round as well. Some judges gave 10-8.
So it's been proven very, very hard for Mumинov. He had the hard path into the semi-finals. Looks like his hope of reaching the final and fighting for gold medal bout steadily diminishing. But you never know. This is boxing, Asian under 22 and youth boxing 2025. That one quite clearly misses.
Creators looking for an edge over the competition? Get 50% off and stand out with just a click. No mics, no retakes, just seamless, high-quality audio. So save 50% with 11 Labs and level up your game.
They made us surprised.
Yeah, went the other way.
Crucial third round. Minutes, seconds running out. Mumинов, the chance of being in the finals steadily declining. He need a miracle, a knockout, or flurry of punches where he can score just about 7-8. That's very rare in boxing.
Box.
Pressing forward, representing Kazakhstan, another very efficient fighter, light on his feet, excellent work rate, working over the top constantly. They hardly, breathing heavily.
Stop.
Fitness levels right up on top. If you are to be a boxer, if you are to progress into elite level, youth level, Asian boxing, Olympics, and then to be a professional boxer, you got to take boxing very, very seriously. This young man, Сүлеймени, definitely looked like someone who's got the good. The energy levels for both the boxers have gone down somewhat. Both emptied their tank during the first two rounds. Mumинov There you go. Missing quite a few. Punching accuracy out of the window. We saw that during the second round itself. Oh, good run.
Redis
Stop.
stalking.
Set up. Box.
To start up the fight, Muminov had a little bit of a cut above his eye. Never raised it, which he suffered during the first round bout.
Red, no holding. Break.
Good work. As he's swaying off,
Stop.
delivers a good right.
Stop.
Muminov hasn't done enough.
Set up. Box. Red, no holding. Stop. Red, no holding. Box.
No holding. It's the instruction by the ref. He's done enough. He's done more than enough. He will be in the finals later on. A little later, we will be finding who will be
Box.
in the finals. Sri Lankans.
Coming up next.
5 of them trying their best. And the best out of that lot,
Break.
Myang
Step back.
Mihuran. He will be in action. But next up, we have
Red, no holding.
Samarakun.
Samarakun to be up against Uzbek
Stop.
boxer, and he will, if he wins, he'll meet Сүлеймени in the finals. So Sri Lankans, it's your time to rally
So you're saying
behind.
Suleimana won. Clearly, right? Red
Already knew
took
that.
the victory.
Already knew that.
So we go to the scorecards.
The winner of this bout on points by split decision is the boxer from the red corner, Тілеуберді Сүлеймени, representing Kazakhstan.